Now to find direction cosine of a line whose direction ratios are given. Okay, now let A, B, C be the direction ratios of a line and L, M and be its direction cosine. Now assuming L and A, assuming L and A, okay, assuming L and, okay, let me, assuming sine of L and A be same, what we can write it now? We can write it L upon A is equal to M upon B is equal to N upon C is equal to L square plus M square plus N square upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1 upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Now why we have written this? Because L upon A is greater than 0 and L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So greater than 0, we have assumed that this is 1. Okay. So now hence direction cosines can be represented when direction ratios are given as, now how we can represent it? As L is equal to, now L upon A is equal to 1 upon square root for A square plus B square plus C square. So we can write it L is equal to A upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. M is equal to B upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square, and N is equal to C upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square.